Here's how I use basic formatting skills to make an unorganized data set like this to this in no time. I try to incorporate the most commonly used functions used by analysts into this one example. Most functions you'll need is here in the home menu. By experience, I would suggest to follow these steps. Step 1, change font and font size. I would recommend use the same font throughout the workbook. Select all and choose the font and the size. The second step is clean up the data set. In this case, you need to delete the blank cells. Select the blank cells and right click, and a dialog pops up asking you if the cells are deleted, whether you want the cells down below to fill the spot, or you want the cells on the right to fill it, or you want the entire row or column gone. Now be careful with this because you always want to be sure you didn't screw something up during this step. It's super important. Select the cells and options to delete wisely. Let me show you what do I mean by that. If you choose the cells shift to left option and enter, tables on the right ruin. If you choose the second option, which is shift the cells up, the table down below get ruined. But sometimes there's just no better way. You just have to fix the mess you made. But if that's the case, I would suggest to fix the mess immediately after you edit or delete cells. Otherwise, problem will accumulate. Now, back to the example. You delete the blank cells and check everything is alright immediately. All tables went up a row. I need to add the same number of cells to edit just the back. You can right click and insert, and I can also choose to use shortcuts, which is Ctrl Shift plus and enter. Now blank cells are gone. After that, you can deal with merging cells. And when merging cells, Excel will only keep information in the leftist or upmost cells. So you need first copy the information to the upper cell, then click Merge in Center. That's the easy way to do it. You can also choose other options in the drop-down menu. So let's do Merge in Center for headers quickly. Now step 4, all other formatting except borders. For alignment, all you need are there. Feel free to test them out because these are very straightforward. And for number formatting, all you need is in this area. If you click on the drop-down list, you can see there are many default formats. Accounting format is the most commonly used one. Easiest thing to do is to select all the numbers you want to format and simply click on the $sign. And if you don't want the $sign, the comma style one is also commonly used. In most cases, 2 decimal is about right. If you want to decrease the decimal places to make a whole number, just click these 2 buttons to increase or decrease decimal places. For headers, you just select them and change the font and the fill color here. Sometimes people want to have header bolded just to make it more professional. And last step is border. And I always recommend to do the formatting to do the border last to save some time because you can easily damage the border while you are doing other steps, which may involve copy and paste a lot. And all border options are here. All border and thick box options are very popular. If you need customized color and line type, you can do things like this. This is what it looks like. If you want to erase, just click on the erase and click on the borders. In this case, it's all border in a thick box. Supposedly, I can just select the table and click on a thick box and all border option, but the line color and line type options still apply, so I need to change these first and then select the table and click on all border and click on a thick box. So these are 80% of formatting skills an analyst needs.